Perimeter protection by Sabtech, surface mount hydraulic road blocker. Surface mount hydraulic road blockers, designed for entrance points, to mitigate hostile vehicle attacks and meet high security requirements. Surface mount hydraulic road blockers do not require civil works and excavation for its installation. Install on any sturdy foundation. Easy installation, including its hydraulic and electrical system. In case of power failure, manual hand pump can be used to lift unit. It can also be lowered manually using a valve. Equipped with safety using photocells and traffic light. Comprised of 2 heavy-duty hinged steel plates. When in down position, can act as a speed bump. PLC and hydraulic accumulator allow for a raise and lowering time as low as 1.5 seconds. Surface mount hydraulic road blocker are popular access control solution for governmental facilities, high security areas, public facilities, etc.